Hi, this is Rohit Paramalla, student ID 2174629. I'm explaining about the Python code of Dyson Cup problem. So let me run the code first of all. So I have ran the code. So here are the outputs. So I have created the objects of the respected uh, classes and then called the roll and get face value functions. And we got the output here. First I'm rolling the six-sided die and we got the output, and we're printing the representation of the object. Similarly, we're doing that for 10-sided die and 20-sided die, and I have also created an object for the cup, and then I've given 1 2 3 of different sided dice and call the roll method and then get some method, and we got the output as well. And here's the representation of the object of the cup. And let me explain the code. So coming to the six-sided die, which is the parent class. So here what I'm doing is, in the init method I'm initializing the faces, that is sides, as a 6, and then I'm using the roll method for getting the random number from the 6 sides. So I am defining the number of sides here. As it is initialized here, it can directly take the value, and after that I've wrote the method get face value for returning the result of the roll. And this is the representation of the object for the six-sided die. So I have created a 10-sided die and a 20-sided die, and then done an inheritance upon the six-sided die. So for that I have used the super clause, which can also be used, and here I have initialized as 6 self dot face is equals to 10 sides, here 20 sides, and I have wrote a separate representation of the object method for the both 10-sided and 20-sided dice. So this is how I have done the inheritance for the six-sided die. And how I compose the cup class for about 3 classes is, so first of all I have created a init method. For in that I'm giving the parameters of 6-sided, 10-sided and 20-sided. So, and after that I have created an object list. So whenever we get the values here, so default values are 1. If we are not passing any values, ones are taken. If we give different values, so what I am doing is I am creating different objects of its respective classes and storing in this dice object variable in the list. And after that, whenever we call this roll method, so what I'm doing is I'm iterating through the each object of the different classes and calling the roll method, so that the dice is rolled of its respective class, and that value is stored in this self.total, and this value is saved and returned. So whenever we want the total after the roll of the cup, then we use this function to call, and this returns the self total. And I have also written a separate representation of the object of this cup class. So this is it is. So whenever we give the values of different sides, it is here which is given, and after that we are calling the roll method to roll all the dices of different classes, and then we get these values here, get the value after the rolling of the dice, and then we are calling the representation of the object method as well. So this is the class, this is the whole algorithm. Thank you very much.